The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. I'm fucking big man, me God. I hate you, picking guys out. Fire the nasty thing, get dirty rat.
Nice in here. Go ahead,
and whoever let us sit here, fire the nasty thinking dirty ras hole.
Instead of my church, Saturday for you.
That can't do a thing. Right in there, and nobody down, they can't listen to that and dry note. That just touch me for tell me come up. The church belongs to us. Anybody free to come. Yeah, but you're not going to tell them so. You'll tell me you're the shop man. You can't. You can't go down there and tell them that. You're not going to go down there and tell them that. Right? You trouble me today though. Say liar ass today. You trouble me today, never trouble me before. But in other words, move your child who are in scum. Good, when you don't see a pen up looking, you're not looked upon. You're not looked upon, you got dead, you cunt. You too? Good, yes, you're right with that. That means I'm dead. You lie, I'm not dead. But you were dead. You're dead there, right?
Me never know you so ignorant.
Yes, when we get out of the city, because Bible tells me that Genesis chapter 6 and verse 3. The Spirit of God not all the strive with man this morning. You're going to try with me. While them coming here and trouble me.
Hello, go
good.
ahead.
So fuck them, fuck the two of them. And them black mother cunt. I didn't come here to respect customers.
Go ahead.
I come here to buy with my money and get what I want. How the fuck customer going to come in and me a customer and disrespect another customer and expect? But if you can't fucking disrespect me, how the fuck me going to respect woman and you? Well, I got my dog before you come and meet house cunt here. Who the hell you think it is? Yeah, but you trouble me. Me not fucking trouble you.
What the lady trouble you and tell you excuses? You're making too much of noise.
That's why I have to get out.
But you're ignorant.
You trouble me and now me attack. You tell her put on now when like eat me wrong. Mr. Protein is supposed to do. How do you want peace? You would have to walk around and just keep your fucking mouth open from it. Can you jump?
Put on your hand.
Miss, me not be a cunt.
Hello, go
me not backside. Me don't give a knock people that way.
Go ahead. Well, me would knock you. Go
ahead.
ahead.
You whore in Scott, you're child better. Look in retarded cunt. Wait till you can tell me that and you can tell me that.
Me cost you for she, because she cost me.
She me not about you, me not about you. Can you deal with she?
Because you can't make all them customers that you're taking the town. Move, go down this way.
But they look better than that day.
Because you can't,
and because
the whole that you're taking the town that
they're
you can't bring
beautiful
them. Go ahead,
and they're nice and they're healthy. Not like this Ben of Ross.
Look on you. Look on you. Go ahead, but it's miracle. You are carrying my church.
Viewers and subscribers, sometimes me look on social media and me see some confrontations, you know, on social media. I can't help it but smile and laugh some of the times. You see? I mean, I'm looking at this video right about now and it's like me can see the vein stand up in this man's neck while this man is arguing with someone. You know what I'm saying? So me I say to you, you know, arguing them way they can't good for your blood pressure. You know what I mean? Hypertension. It can't good for you. You know what I say to you? I mean, not stop saying to you. I mean, not stop tell people say that they need to avoid confrontations, you know, especially the ones that are aggressive. You know what I say? Avoid the whole arguments or disputes, you know. Yes, sir, some of them arguments and disputes can lead up to a point where it just ends bad. You see me? And some of the times, you know, viewers and subscribers, you have some persons out there just know that a certain person stay a certain way, where as I say something to them, then just start arguing, you know, then just flare up, voof, you know. And because of that, people or persons out there intend to use them for amusement, you know. It's like them just tease them or them mock them, knowing that they're going to argue or make a whole heap of noise, and then them just laugh and then just find it to be fun and are funny. And the reason why I'm saying this, now, viewers and subscribers, is because, you know, me see a part where the person, you know, that is in the background of the video, the voice in the background of the video, or one of the voice in the background of the video, you know, it's like the hand, you can see the hand reach out and push back the man, and you know the person says some things as well, you know, where, you know, me I looking at myself and me I say, you know, maybe them know this man and them just know so that this man will argue, but him not go hurt them nor anything, you know. And that's just my point of view. You get what I'm saying to you? I can be right and I can be wrong, you know. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I bring this video to you because this video is out on social media and it is getting somewhat of a buzz, you know, a little buzz. Persons are talking about it, you see me? And this video shows of a man that is considered to be an old man, and according to what has been said on social media is that it shows of the man arguing with persons that is said to be females in the background of the video. Alright? And I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, who was wrong? Is it the persons in the background of the video that is said to be females, or is it that the man was wrong? Is what I'm saying to you. Is it that the persons in the background of the video was just mocking him, or is it that it was a real argument that was going on? You know what I mean? Is it that the man was taking everything for a joke, or is it that the man was really serious about the argument or so on? Let me know what you think about something like this, alright? And I would like to point it out as well that persons should avoid arguments, dispute, you know, those hostile arguments or disputes or so on. Alright? Yeah, and this is where I leave it, viewers and subscribers. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.